gonna make a beautiful smoked pizza with these chickens. But I want to just get them onto a tray. I don't want to get my hands all dirty here. Now I'm using skinless, boneless chicken breasts, but I'm gonna make a little dry rub here. Got some great ingredients. Chilies, gonna make it not too hot because, you know, these are little guys coming over. Little cumin for some nuttiness. I'm using a little dry garlic powder here. And the reason I'm using dried ingredients, because if I use fresh, they just burn once they hit the grill. This is a great way to utilize all that dried stuff you have. A little bit of oregano for some earthiness. Touch of onion powder. Just like the garlic powder, this is really flavorful. Just a touch of chili powder. Now I've got some heat from the chili flakes. Chili powder, just back off a little bit. This will round out all those flavors in there. Mix, mix, mix. Just keep one hand clean, one hand touching the chicken. Get that dry rub over top the breast right now. And then off to the grill with these babies. My grill, medium-high heat now. Whew! That means it's ready for my chicken to go on. But before I get it on, always gotta oil it down because I don't want that chicken sticking. Chicken sticking. Just a little bit of salt. I know there was some salt in there already. Just a touch of pepper. I love to season just before it hits the grill. Just moisten this baby up because I really don't want them to stick. I just want them to sear nicely. Chicken onto the heat side. So I'm using direct heat to cook these chicken breasts. Direct heat just means the heat directly underneath these chicken breasts. They're gonna cook for about 6 minutes per side, and it's still gonna be nice and juicy on the inside. Remember, I'm gonna cut those and put those right on top of the pizza. Smoked pizza. Whoo! 6 minutes per side. My chicken's been on for a total of 12 minutes now. You wanna know if they're done? Just give that a nice little press. If it's semi-firm, yeah, that means they're ready to come off. All those dried spices on there, the chilies, the onion salt, the garlics, all of those flavors are in here right now. What's really important is that you allow this chicken to rest right back up. That way, when I go to slice into it, it'll be nice and tender. Whew. Now I'm using Applewood chips here, and I'm using 2 parts wet, because that just helps it to smoke for a while. A little bit of dry, that's just gonna act as that tinder to really start it smoking right away. Just gonna be smoking that pizza. All the chicken I had and a little bit of cheese on there. Oh, it's gonna be great. Fold up your pouch. Just poke a few holes in there. All that smoke's just gonna penetrate right into that pizza. Smoke pouch is done. Just gotta clean up a little bit. Got my chicken, a little bit of cheese, and just an onion. But I gotta cut all of this stuff up. Time to make a little sauce. And the kids love this sauce. A little bit of barbecue sauce for some tang. Remember, this is just gonna go at the base of our pizza. And just to smooth it out a little bit, add a little bit of tang and some sugar, just a touch of applesauce. Yeah, I said applesauce. Trust me, it's gonna work. Time to start building. Pizza paddle, over here. Pizza dough, which I just bought, and it's fresh pizza dough. Just pinned it out, really nice looking stuff. Easy to work with. But let me show you how easy this really is. Got a touch of semolina flour here. It's gonna act like a little roller and help this pizza to slide right off onto the grill. Aha, that's looking good, looking good. Right on top. Rolling really nicely. That's exactly what I'm looking for. Time to start building it. Just a little bit of the sauce on the base itself. Just spread that around. Looking good, looking good. Just get that down as the base. Just a little bit of cheese on the base. A few onions down on there. Looking good right now. A little bit of that chicken. And kids love lots of toppings, so I'm gonna put lots of chicken on top. After the kids eat this pizza, they're gonna wanna make it themselves and they'll never order out again. All right, this is looking really good. Smoke pouch is ready. Pizza's ready. Off to the grill. All right, pizza and my smoke pouch. Gotta get these both onto the grill, and I've got two-tiered heat approach. Left-hand side, super high grill, because I just want to get this pouch. Applewood, I want that smoking right away. Right-hand side, medium high right now, because I gotta get my pizza stone. Take a look at that, baby. And you can pick this up anywhere. An investment of less than 20 bucks. But put it onto the grill, close the lid, wait for smoke, wait for your stone to heat up, and then we start rocking. Ah, Applewood in the air. And I gotta get this off of this onto that stone. Now, here's a little trick. That semolina flour just helps it to slide off. Beautiful looking. Close that lid. Turn the temperature down now. That pizza shouldn't be scorching. You just want it to cook up really nicely. That's gonna bubble up. 425 degrees Fahrenheit, about 220 degrees Celsius for about half an hour. That thing is gonna be bubbling. That cheese is gonna melt. Oh, it's gonna be good. I'll be back. I'm so stoked now. It's about 30 minutes and I haven't even taken a look at my pizza, but I know it looks great. All right. All right. This is looking great. Take a look at that beautiful golden brown crust, the cheese, the pizza. Ah, it's really smelling really nice in here. I can just smell those onions. But I gotta get them off, though. That trusty palette, right underneath. Oh, came off in one swoop. Am I happy? Dude, it's time to eat.